Ta-da! Why champ? Yeah. Whoa, what do you think you're doing, buddy? You can't just be shooting random innocent civilians with firearms. That's just rude. And illegal.
Dude, aren't you like a pedophile or something?
No, that's not true. That's all lies. All lies and slander fabricated by that wretched lame R.
Get away from me, you fucking freak.
You gotta understand something, man. I am not a creep. I like women who have past age of consent. I'm a man of refined taste. I never rest for kids. They repulse me.
Well, whatever, I don't care. I'ma kill you. And it's gonna be funny. And we're gonna go, ha 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 ha, to your stupid fat corpse, man.
What I'll do that, I say.
Oh, you fucking maple syrup drinking bitch!
You know what? I give up. Here you go, Doc. A present from your old pal Drake. Enjoy your pie. Embarrassing.